Yan guys, dito kasi kami ngayon ng tawag dito, picturean. Yan, dami nagpo-picture. Yan. Dami nagpo-picture dito guys. Yan. Yan. Ang tao dito. Kasi napakaganda naman kasi ng view. Ayan ang view guys. Yan yung Volcan Tal, nakita yan guys, yung bundok guys. Yan yung Volcan Tal na yan guys. Yan wasak pala yung bunganga, wasak yung bunganga guys.
Dito na. Okay, 1, 2, 3.